Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Matt, and today I'm not doing a museum update and I'm not doing a 3D house model. Those are two other projects that are crazy, and I've been doing other stuff, and so this video is for one of the projects that fell through the cracks that if I don't make a video about it, no one will ever know that I did it. So let's do it. So a while back, somebody came to me and asked me to do a project for a small, like a kids ministry thing at church, and they needed a way to get kids checked in and have like an account for each kid on this app, right? And so they needed to play games on the app, and they, you know, they earn points and all this kind of stuff to kind of keep track of all of everybody stuff. So the first phase of creating this app, I thought, well, they have these bracelets that have RFID tags on them, and so if you could use that to track the kids and keep track of how many points they have each, that might be a good starting point. So I created an RFID check-in system as a prototype for the app that never happened. So here you go. Alright guys, so the very first thing that I grabbed was a Raspberry Pi and an RFID Reader writer module, so I can read the actual tags themselves. So once I got those things together, I started to work on the wiring of the RFID module to the Raspberry Pi itself, and so that was put together with a breadboard. And if you guys want some more information on exactly how that's all rigged up, there's a link in the description. And so once I had all the wires run from the RFID module to the Raspberry Pi, it was time to boot up. And so once I booted up, I was able to create two Python files and save them in a special RFID directory inside of the Raspberry Pi. So the first one is called read, and it does just what you might expect it to. It will read the identification number on the RFID tag, and so every single tag that is created has an ID number. And so the read function inside of the script will print out that number and any other information that's written to that particular tag. If nothing else is written, it'll just print the ID. So that is the script for reading the tags. And then there's a second script that is write.py, and it does the same exact thing, except for you're writing additional information to the tag. So in order for the scripts to function, you need to execute them. So first off, I'll just execute the read function. So once you execute it, it's going to enter a listening mode. So when it detects an RFID tag that has been tapped to the sensor, it will say, okay, I see the tag and here's the ID number, any other additional information written to that tag. And in order to write to the tag, you just execute the write program, and then it'll ask you to enter a little bit of text or whatever information that you want to associate with that particular tag. So for my example, I just put a string of text that says it is written. And then once I wrote that to the tag, I was able to read that information back and output that to the terminal. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out. If you want to know more about this RFID Reader writer, I have some more information and technical details and wiring diagrams and all that good stuff in the link below. And hope you guys enjoyed this one. We're gonna be back next time, probably on home design, 3D animation-y things. But I'd like to get back on the museum train. That'd be great. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.